Winter. For the gardener, it's a season of quiet preparation, nurturing the promise of spring even as frost settles. Some might see a frosted leaf and think the gardening year is done, but that's not the case. Over the next few minutes, we'll explore how to care for your garden throughout the colder months, ensuring it emerges come spring even more vibrant. Let's turn winter from a gardening challenge into a rewarding opportunity. Just as we layer up in warm clothing to shield ourselves from the biting cold of winter, our delicate garden dwellers benefit from extra protection when the mercury dips. The cold can be harsh and unforgiving, but with a little effort we can help our plants weather the storm. Frost can wreak havoc on unsuspecting plants, causing significant damage to leaves, stems and roots. However, we have ways of outsmarting the cold and ensuring our plants survive the winter months. One effective method is using horticultural burlap. This material allows air to circulate while providing a barrier against frost. It's breathable yet protective, making it an ideal choice for shielding plants. Wrap your vulnerable shrubs and smaller trees, securing the burlap with twine. This simple step can make a significant difference in preventing frost damage. A thick layer of mulch acts like a cozy blanket for the soil, insulating it and preventing it from freezing solid. Mulch not only protects the roots but also helps retain moisture, which is crucial during the dry winter months. Spread bark chippings, straw or shredded leaves around the base of your plants. These materials provide excellent insulation and help maintain a stable temperature around the roots. This helps with frost protection, retains moisture, and improves soil structure over time. Mulching is a simple yet effective way to give your plants a fighting chance against the cold. For plants showing signs of frost damage, wait until late winter or early spring to assess the damage. Sometimes what appears to be severe damage may not be as bad as it seems. Often what seems like a goner might surprise you with new growth. Patience is key, as plants can be remarkably resilient and may bounce back when the weather warms up. Not all plants need the same level of protection, so do your research and tailor your approach. Some plants are hardier than others and may require less intervention. Burlap and mulch provide consistent protection and allow for better air circulation. These materials work together to create a microenvironment that shields plants from the harshest winter conditions. As you secure your burlap wraps and spread your mulch, appreciate the quiet beauty of the season. Winter gardens have a unique charm, with their frosted leaves and bare branches. The frost-kissed leaves and skeletal silhouettes of trees against the winter sky have a stark elegance. This serene landscape is a reminder of nature's resilience and beauty. This extra effort will pay dividends come spring when your garden bursts forth in a riot of color. The vibrant blooms and lush greenery will be a testament to the care you provided during the winter months. Channel your inner nurturer, give your plants the protection they need, and let them rest easy knowing that spring is just around the corner. With a little effort and care, your garden will thrive and flourish, ready to welcome the new season. The soil needs a bit of TLC, especially during the colder months when it can easily be neglected. To stay healthy and productive during winter, your garden soil requires some extra attention and care. One of the biggest challenges is soil compaction from rain and snow, which can create a dense, impenetrable layer. Compacted soil leaves roots struggling to access oxygen and nutrients, essential for their survival and growth. The solution is a good forking with a garden fork to loosen the top few inches without turning it over, which helps maintain the soil structure. This allows air and water to penetrate more easily, reaching the roots and providing them with the necessary resources. Adding compost to your beds in winter improves soil structure and drainage, providing a slow release of nutrients that will benefit your plants over time. Compost is teeming with beneficial microorganisms that help break down organic matter, enriching the soil and promoting plant health. It also improves water retention, reducing the need for frequent watering and ensuring that your plants have a consistent supply of moisture. Even in winter, worms and microbes are hard at work, creating a healthy environment for your plants by breaking down organic material and aerating the soil. Give your soil breathing room with a good forking and nourish it with compost to keep it in top condition. Healthy soil is the foundation of a thriving garden, no matter the season. By maintaining it during winter, you ensure that your garden will flourish when spring arrives. By taking care of it now, you're setting the stage for a spectacular display of growth and color when the warmer weather returns, making all your efforts worthwhile. Appreciate the feel of the soil in your hands, teeming with life even in winter. It's a reminder that your garden is always alive, waiting for the right conditions to thrive. As the days grow shorter and the air turns crisp, our attention turns indoors, seeking warmth and comfort. The winter season brings a unique set of challenges for our beloved houseplants, but with a little extra care, they can continue to thrive and bring life into our homes. Houseplants bring a touch of life into our homes, but they need extra care during winter. The reduced daylight and dry indoor air can stress them, making it essential to adjust our plant care routines. Consider light position plants near a bright window, but avoid harsh, direct sunlight. The winter sun can be intense, and too much direct light can scorch the leaves. If natural light is scarce, a grow light can provide the necessary spectrum. These lights mimic the sun's rays and can be a lifesaver for plants in darker rooms. Central heating creates a dry atmosphere, so mist your plants regularly or create a humidity tray with pebbles and water. This helps maintain the moisture levels that many houseplants need to stay healthy. Watering is crucial, but avoid overwatering. During winter, plants typically need less water, so it's important to adjust your watering schedule accordingly. Check the soil's dryness before watering. Stick your finger about an inch into the soil. If it feels dry, it's time to water. If it's still moist, wait a few more days. It's better to err on the side of dryness than to drown your plants. Overwatering can lead to root rot, which is often fatal for houseplants. Watch out for pests like spider mites, which thrive in dry indoor conditions. These tiny invaders can cause significant damage if not addressed promptly. Regularly inspect your plants and deal with infestations promptly. Use natural remedies or insecticidal soap to keep pests at bay. Houseplants purify the air, add beauty, and provide a connection to nature during winter. They can lift our spirits and improve our indoor environment. Return the favor by giving them the care and attention they deserve. Regularly dust their leaves, prune dead foliage, and ensure they have the right conditions to thrive. With proper care, your indoor plants will thrive and bring joy throughout the winter months. Their vibrant presence can make the cold season more bearable. Embrace the green oasis in your home and enjoy the vibrant presence of houseplants. They're a reminder of the natural world, even when it's cold and bleak outside. They offer a touch of nature's beauty, even during the depths of winter. By nurturing them, we create a sanctuary of green that can uplift our spirits and enhance our living spaces. Even in winter, garden pests can be a problem. Aphids, tiny sapsuckers, can weaken plants and make them susceptible to disease. Keep an eye out for clusters of aphids on stems and undersides of leaves. A blast of water from the hose can dislodge them. Vine weevils, nocturnal feeders, nibble on leaves and their larvae munch on plant roots. Use nematodes to control vine weevil larvae by watering them into the soil. Slugs and snails can still be a problem during milder spells. Create barriers with copper tape or crushed eggshells to deter them. Preventative measures are the best defense against pests. Encourage beneficial insects like ladybugs and lacewings, natural predators of aphids. Regularly inspect your plants for signs of pest activity and address problems promptly. With care and attention, you can keep your garden pest-free throughout winter. Enjoy a healthy garden ecosystem and protect your plants from unwanted visitors. Winter gardens can delight the senses with the right plants. Hellebores or Christmas rose flower in winter, adding magic to the darkest days. Winterberry, a deciduous holly, reveals bright red berries that look stunning against snow. Winter honeysuckle's creamy white flowers release a sweet scent on milder days. Grasses take on a new dimension in winter, their plumes catching the frost. Bare branches of deciduous trees offer intricate silhouettes against the winter sky. Embrace the season and choose plants that thrive in colder months. Experiment with different textures, colors, and forms. Winter doesn't have to mean a barren landscape. With planning and imagination, create a garden that offers beauty and interest year-round. Celebrate the enduring power of nature even in the face of adversity. Enjoy a garden that delights the senses even in the depths of winter. The winter garden holds unique charm and rewards. It's a time for reflection and appreciating nature's dormant phase. Provide frost protection, care for your soil, tend to indoor plants, manage pests, and add winter interest. Embrace the winter garden, step outside, and breathe in the crisp air. Take pride in nurturing life, even in the depths of winter.